Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert your any picture into QR code. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open Chrome browser and writing here MEQR, and you see here first site, click here and click here. Here have option image, click here and click here upload image, and you can choose your any picture. I choose this picture and simply click here open. Scroll down and you see here have option customize and download QR. Click here. So friends, you can see the picture has been converted into QR code. Click here and download this QR code. So you can share this QR code with anyone. Whoever scan it will see your picture. So friends, very simple or easy, you can convert your any picture into QR code. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.